So as our protein, I'm gonna do seared and roasted chicken thighs, which are one of my favorite, a very simple ingredient, very forgiving. And we're gonna do a warm salad of barley, some Swiss chard, peaches with almonds, and a little bit of honey. So I just went ahead and I'm kind of cleaning these off the pit. You can see this is kind of the lines, the natural line from the pit there.
Okay.
So I can just run my knife right down and kind of remove the sides there. And then I'm slicing the edges off. I went ahead and put the chickens in the oven, season them with salt and pepper, got my oil to smoke point, put them down, and we put them in the oven and we can forget about them. You know, with a chicken thigh, it has so much for forgiveness. You know, once they're cooked, they can really go a little bit over and they're still really juicy.
So certainly any kind of fresh food is going to provide a lot of healthy nutrition for babies. We prefer that over fruit juices, which have a really high artificial sugar content. So, honestly, adding as many different colorful fruits and vegetables into your child's diet is going to benefit them.